Hello again, team, and welcome back to this video series about how to get started on your modules for week 3. If you watched the previous video about the walkthrough module 1, you will know that we are now going to move on to module 2. Okay, once again, we are under this topic of G.5, the relationship between the gravitational force, the distance, and the mass. Okay, now, module 1 was pretty long, had 3 experiments in it. For this module, it's going to be much shorter. Okay, a guided practice, an independent practice, and then you guys take a formative. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started and dive right on in. Once you click here, you're going to see there's 2 documents. You each received a copy of the digital worksheet, which is going to be listed here. You also received a module, a Google Slides that you cannot edit, but you are able to view that shows the guided Google Slides that I would like you to have open while you work on the digital worksheet. Okay? So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to go ahead and open both of these. So let's open this. And let's go ahead and go back and open this guy too. Okay? Okay. Starting with the digital worksheet, all right, we have one objective for today. Understanding the relationship between the gravitational force, the masses of objects, and the distance between them. A couple vocab words, all right? And then we're going to get into this idea, okay, these do nows. Okay, before you begin the module, make sure you answer these do nows based on the answers and the thoughts you gathered back in module 1. Okay? Once you've completed this, go ahead and check your work, all right, before moving on. Guys, really important to be checking your work here. I can't emphasize that enough. If you are on the wrong path, it's sometimes hard for me to catch, but for you guys, if you guys are looking here, you know immediately whether or not you're on the right path or not. Okay? After you're done with that, you're going to dive into this guided instruction, okay? Now, there's a guided instruction video that follows along with the slides shown here, okay? What I really want you guys to pay attention to are these colors, okay? In the slide deck that's attached, these colors correspond to a slide, and these answers come from those slides. So, a really nifty trick here, guys, is if I'm going to have both of these documents opened at once, you're going to click on the slides, drag them over, all right? So now you have that in a new one, okay? Then you have the Hensley digital worksheet here, okay? So if I'm looking at the blue one, I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to read through this as the video goes, and then I see this blue document here, okay? Notice that this here, all right, corresponds exactly to the blue one here. So that's where you're going to get the answers to fill in the blanks. As you go through it, you're going to see an orange one, a green one, a red one, and a yellow one. Okay, same as here, blue, orange, green, red, and yellow. Each of these answers come straight from this document. Okay, really helpful to have them open at the same page. If you do the split screen, that's a super helpful tip there as well. Okay. After you're done with that, go ahead and check your work here. After you've watched this video about Henry Cavendish, super cool guy, really think you guys will enjoy the video. Moving on from the guided practice, you're going to move into the independent practice, all right, which is going to take some time to answer these couple of questions before taking the formative, all right? Pay close attention to this pro tip over here. For support, check out the Scientist Ideas reading, okay? If you click on that, you'll get directed to a link, and it'll bring up a very similar or familiar looking document that looks like this, okay? These are the Scientist Ideas for G.5, and all the answers to the independent practice can be found within these notes. All right, moving back to our digital worksheet. Go ahead and check your answers upon completion of the independent practice. All right, and then you're ready for the formative assessment, okay? This formative assessment is assigned an Edulastic under this name, all right? But before you begin the formative, guys, I can't emphasize enough how important it is for you guys to look back, okay? Read your key points. Look back at your answers you posted in Module 2, as well as your answers you posted in Module 1. Both would be very helpful before the formative, okay? While grading, I'm grading these formatives for correctness. Now they're curved as in the past, but please make sure you are doing the best you can on these, okay? I know eSchool is challenging, and I want to make sure you guys are getting the support and the guidance you need and that you're being very successful on these formatives. All right, guys, to wrap up these videos, I want to reiterate exactly what to do this week. All right, remember, finishing Module 1 first, you're going to have Module 1 and a mastery check, which is an Edulastic due. All right, you're then going to do Module 2, digital worksheet, and then the formative at the end. Okay, So 4 things due on Friday at noon. All right, good luck, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, okay? See the next video for any helpful tips on the most missed questions on last week's formative. Thanks, guys. Enjoy week 3.